In this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect and forget Bluetooth accessory. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings, then tap at Bluetooth, and there you can see the list of all your devices. Now here, as you can see, my AirPods are connected. I can hit there at I icon and scroll down to the very bottom. Now here I got two options. I can disconnect them or I can forget this device. If I hit on disconnect, the device is now not connected, but iPhone still have connection data right there, and I can easily connect my headphones in any time. If I want to forget some Bluetooth device, all I have to do is to hit there at I icon and right here tap at forget this device and then hit add forget device. And that's it. I have just removed the device that I don't need anymore right there from my devices. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.